and welcome back to Live Happy Locs. I am your host, Tori Franklin. Welcome. So, I am 4.5 months in, and a lot of my hair is starting to lock now, and there's a lot of budding, and there's a lot of fuzz, and there's a lot of stuff going on. But some of my hair, see, is doing this, and some of my hair is doing this, where we have some, well, that's not, it's a different one. Is doing this, where we have, you know, a little bit of a cute curl, and some of my other locks are doing this, where it's just like a little nub at the end. And so what I am going to do is comb out the ends of my locks so I can get a consistent cute curl at the ends of all of my locks. To do this, I am going to be using Camille Rose's Honey Hydrates. I'll just show a picture. And Now Foods Rejuvenating Rose Water to moisturize before I begin. Let's go. I start by using the Now Foods Rose Water to hydrate the ends of my hair. It's not good for your locks to comb them out while they're dry. I then use the Camille Rose Hydrating to give it a little bit more of that moisture and make it easier to comb. The combing process requires patience because the ends of my locks have already started to lock up, and it was a little bit of a challenge. After I combed it out, I used the Camille Rose Hydrating again to try to give it some of its curl. As you can see, some of them started to turn out really nicely. Saturday night, I don't mind. Always see some of the time, I don't mind. Make a shit party. Some parts of my hair don't curl as well as others, so this part of the process wasn't as cute, but I know that they'll curl up later once I wash it. Make a shit party of life, I don't mind. Love the way you turn me on. Maybe you can text me later. So I finished combing out all the ends of my hair. Not all of them are super curly right now because, you know, I just did it on with a little bit of spray and the stuff, but I'm sure after my next wash, and maybe if I use a little bit of gel or something to give them a nice little curly pop. Some of them are already like that, which is nice. But yeah, I think it's cute, and if I do a little updo, they'll have their curls. They'll have their curls. So try it out yourself. Let me know how it goes. But I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this for a couple weeks now, and now I got it done. Anyways, thank you so much for joining Live Happy Locs. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you come back soon. Live happy.